Hello my students, I am Shantanu. Welcome back to my channel again. Today in this video I will discuss some more important idioms and phrases for the coming SSC CGL exam 2022. So kindly keep watching my videos regularly, subscribe to my channel and also press the notification bell icon for more such videos. If you have any queries regarding anything of the class, you can easily make your comments in the comments box. Now I would like to start my class. Kindly keep your eyes over the book. Now look about the first idiomatic phrase, through thick and thin. It means whatever the situation is, I will do that. It means whatever the situation is, I will do that. So in married life, under all conditions, in happy moments or as per principles, if we just look over the options, under all conditions mean under all circumstances. So if I just say under all conditions, it also means in any situation I will do my job. I will complete my task. So it means under any circumstances. Okay. So here the right answer is this one. Now if I just go for the next question, make mountain out of a molehill, it means to show something in a big way, but in actuality it is not so big at all. To show something or to express something in a big way, but in actuality it is not big at all. Now look about the option, create problems, attempt the impossible, start looking. Looking for means searching or looking about. Or exaggeration of a minor thing. Exaggeration means expressing something in a big way that it's a big problem, but ultimately it's a minor problem or trifling problem or trivial problem. So it means exaggeration of a minor problem. So it actually means make mountain out of a molehill. It actually means exaggeration of a minor problem. It means to show something small in a very big way. Okay. So the right answer for the question is this is that. Now if I just go for the next question, ins and outs. Ins and outs mean full details. So to frown, if I just go over the option to frown you can say, if I just write the words to frown means you can say to cast some ridiculous eye. Etc. Something like that. Or you can say, I am trying to frown upon someone or at someone. This means I am trying to mock at someone. So here full details mean ins and outs. To bribe means to give some extra money to get my job done. In a nutshell is the ins and outs. If ins and outs is the synonym, then in that case you can say full details will be the answer, but if you are asked to find out the antony, in that case, in a nutshell will be the answer. So, what is the meaning of in a nutshell? In a nutshell means in brief, or you can say in short. In a nutshell means it is also an idiom. In a nutshell means in brief, or you can say in short. In short. Etc. There are many words. So here this will be the answer. Now if I just go for the next question, helter-skelter is a very fine idiomatic phrase. Helter-skelter means great disorder or in great disarray or at 6s and 7x. Just if I just try look over the options, helter-skelter You can say in great disarray, DISARRAY, or even you can say at 6s and 7x. Etc. There are many words. To be in touch, you all know the meaning. To go away means someone going away from me, getting distant. Come back means return. So here the right answer is disorderly state, not in orderly state. Now if I just go over the last question, cut and cry. Now what is the meaning of cut and cry? Cut and cry means very honest, very upright. So if I just look over the option cut and cry, it means very honest. Cut and cry means you can say fair and square. If I just write the option in a better way, fair and square, SQUARE, or even you can say upright, UPRIGHT, etc. So if I just look over the option simple, honest, honest can be the answer. If I just look over the next thing, next option number C, you can say obscure. Obscure means remote or distant. Number 1. Number 2, we can say dark or something incomprehensible. Incomprehensible. It's an adjective form. Now if I just look at the artful, artful means very clever, or you can say very tricky, TRICKY, or CLEVY, clever, or you can say nifty, very nifty, NIFTY, very nifty. So if I just go over the option artful, so its synonym can be like this, you can say nifty, NIFTY, oblique you can say clever, something like that. There are many words, but nifty or clever, very tricky can also be the option. So this can be the word if I just look over it. So artful means very tricky, TRICKY, or nifty, NIFTY, or clever, or something like that. But here, if you just look over the option again, cut and fry means very honest, very upright, fair and square. So here the answer is honest. Now if I just read over the question again, through thick and thin mean under every condition or under every circumstances. So the option is here. And the second question means to make something big, but in actuality it's not big at all. This means exaggeration or hyperbole. So here the answer is D. Ins and outs mean full details, but here it will be the answer. But if I are asked to find out the antony, in that case in a nutshell will be the answer. As in a nutshell means in brief or very briefly. Helter skelter means in great disorder, or at 6x as 7x, or you can say in something like that, in great disarray. Cut and cry means you can say very honest. So here simple means you all know, that's why I don't need to analyze the word simple. Simple means very artless. So if I just again write the word simple, there are some synonyms that I am going to write. Simple you can say artless, or you can say ingenious. Yes, there are many words. You can say candid. Candid can also be the option. Candid, CNDID. So in this way you have to select the right option. Simple means artless, ingenious, candid, etc., etc. So obscure means obscure has two meanings. First as remote or distant, second as dark or something not understandable or incomprehensible. Artful, I already told the meaning of artful. So there is no need to tell the meaning of artful anymore, but still I am telling, artful means something very clever, or something, not something, someone is very clever, you can say very tricky, very nifty, something like that, very smart, so smart that he or she can defeat anyone, he or she can deceive anyone. So this is my class for the day. So if you think my video is informative for the ensuing SSC CGL exam, you can share my video with the person needed most. Tomorrow I will again come up with some new analysis. Till then, have a very good day.